Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get rid of this messy hair situation. Take this down. Welcome back to my channel. Smash that subscribe button, like and comment this video. Stay tuned to learn how I got this hairstyle. Let's get into it. For this look, you'll need some rubber bands. Gel, I use Jackie's Curl Boss. I don't know if you guys can see, but an edge brush or a toothbrush, snacky snack. Oh, and some water. Hair bows. I don't have any hair bows, so I'm gonna run to the store. In the store, can't decide. Finally, I picked up some of these. These gonna be cute. These regular ones. Let's just start it. We're just gonna go ahead and, so what I like to do with my braids, get a little look. Oof. A little messy. I like to try to change it up as much as I can. First thing I'm gonna do, hit this bad boy with some water. You don't want to drench your hair, but just lightly mist it. For some moisture. Kind of rub it in a little. What I'm gonna do is section my hair. Get them right. I'm gonna try to fit this in here because I don't have a lot of braids. I tried having a handful of braids. And you want to take 3 braids. Can't get it in there. Don't do these tight, by the way. Like, they do not have to be tight. And what you want to do is you want to take your gel, not too much, and you just want to smooth it in. Grab your toothbrush or a brush or edge brush, whatever you have. Smooth it in. You wrap it until it's secure. And you want to do that with all 3. So after you've gotten all 3 refreshed, can't really see you guys. I hope you guys can see. When I get done with this, I was thinking maybe I could put them on the ends, twist it again. And what you want to do is wrap it in Bantu knots. Now you don't want these to be tight. And when you get the Bantu, it's a little tricky sometimes, but those pieces that stick out, let them stick out. Don't try to be perfect. I know some people like this perfect, that's fine. But if a piece sticks out, it's perfectly fine. And this is what you want it to look like. You can kind of flip these out. Already looking there. That's one. And you want to just do that all around your head. Thanks for watching, babes. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let's get this video to 10 likes. I'll see you guys in my next video.